Hi, and thanks for watching. I'm Rob Varnell from R&M Trade Laminating. I'm sure there's been times when you've picked up a package and felt a luscious, soft feeling on top of the package. Maybe it was an iPhone box, a perfume box, or a presentation folder, or that kind of thing. A lot of times that feeling comes from a coating on the film, which is a soft touch coating. Today we're talking about a soft touch black film. This film is completely opaque, it's completely black, and it has a soft touch coating on it. It can be used for luxury packaging, boxes, it can be used for presentation folders, book covers, anything where you want a nice, beautiful, dark finish with a luxury feel to it. The film itself is completely opaque and very, very dense in its color. This piece here was printed black and has a soft touch film on top of the ink. This piece here has soft touch black with just on top of white paper. You can see the density difference that you get in terms of the color. Both pieces are foil stamped on top of the film. In this piece, there was no actual reason why we couldn't have used a soft touch black. This piece, the same thing. All of the embellishments are foiled or UV coated. It can be used in a box, presentation folders, that kind of thing. This piece here has a soft touch black on two sides of the paper, has hidden magnets, and has foil stamping on top to showcase the logo of the product. So when you're thinking about a soft touch black film, or any film, consider what it does to hold the paper together. A lot of times when you score and fold paper, it micro cracks the paper. If there's no film on top of that, you'll end up sometimes where you'll fold the paper and you're going to see white fibers of the paper shining through or showing through. So the film actually helps to prevent this. So by using a soft touch black film, you're going to get a denser black. You're going to save yourself having to print the black ink, and you'll be able to use our film to foil stamp and die cut. Any kind of embellishment that you want to put on top of the film will work nicely for this. So when you're thinking of luxury packaging, think of our soft touch black film. You can find more information at our website, and if you'd like a sample of this film, please get a hold of us.